Alright guys, I'm going to show you how I was able to pull the oil pan off a 2001 S10 with a 2.2 without pulling the engine. Got it out and also left the oil pump on as well. I watched a couple of YouTube videos. They didn't really give you enough information on how to do it, so I just kind of went for it and figured it out on my own. And if you don't have a lift, I would suggest just pulling the motor. The lift made it so much easier. But I'll show you how high I had to get the motor. It's about 2.5 inches, maybe a little more. On the driver's side, things in my way. The passenger side is nearly 3 inches, even though it's a little sideways right now, but you get the idea. But I also had to lift the body. It's about let's see, inch 3/4, just about. But if you use a 2x4, it'd probably be just as good. The back's lifted a little higher. My lift kind of picks up higher on the back. This side's the same way. And this one, I'm gonna say it's only about 1 inch thick, if that. Yeah. And on the front, it's the same way. It's only about 1 inch thick block where I lifted the body up. But it's a 15 bolt coming down with an 18 on the bottom, 18 nut on the bottom on the front radiator support. And for the cab bolts, they're all 15s. And also had to pull the transmission, but I just dropped it a little bit and pulled it back, which is why I had to lift the body, so I could pull the transmission back a little bit and get the motor high enough to miss the firewall. But I'm not a very instructional person, not good at explaining stuff, but I hope this helps somebody. And you can see where I lifted it right there, where the starter goes. And on the front, I lifted it right behind the pulley, tensioner pulley. But like I said, hope this helps somebody.